Hello there, Susie Home Baker here with an unboxing. Sparkle Hustle Grow. Monthly subscription box for female entrepreneurs. Hashtag best business expense ever. This box is for August 2020. It's my first. I am so excited to get into it. I've been following Sparkle Hustle Grow for quite a while and finally decided why not? Because as far as I've seen, you get a lot for the price. It's run through Cratejoy and it costs $44.95. They always come with a book and a Facebook community that goes over the book chapter by chapter. There's also a training that I'm looking forward to taking advantage of. And yeah, it's a box full of Lady Boss goodies. What more could you ask for? Let's get into it. Oh my goodness. How cute. Look at all the white and gold crinkle paper. All right, first we'll pull out the workbook. Boss Up Your Life, August 2020. Sparkle Hustle Grow. It's got take action checklist, box packing list, this month's guest expert, then pages of notes. Yeah, see the reading guide. Awesome. All right, we'll set that down. All right. We've got paper clips, jumbo vinyl coated paper clips, ideal for homeschool and office. 100 multicolor paper clips. If you know me, I love the rainbow. This is awesome. Then we have a stylus, replaceable rubber tips in a variety of colors. Nice. I've actually honestly have never used a stylus before. I've had plenty of smartphones. I've never used one, so this is awesome. Nice. Then we have a roller screen cleaner. It kind of looks like a razor. Keep your screen healthy and clean, portable and convenient. No more smudgy screens. Remove fingerprints, dust particles, kills germs, and more in seconds. It says monitors, tablets, phones. Nice. Awesome. Then we have this Today to Do memo magnet pad. There's a magnet on the back. Nice. I like it. 52 pages. Then we have a Sparkle Hustle Grow. That is awesome. That's awesome that it's branded. Charger brick with dual USB chargers. That is nice. Cool. And then, besides all the billing, we have the book. Boss Up. This ain't your mama's business book. The kick in the pants you've always needed to build the business you've always wanted. Nice. I am excited and cannot wait to get into this with the community. This is so great. Oh my goodness. So, if you'll notice, I have this little stack of books over here that I did purchase separately from Sparkle Hustle Grow. I got these stickers, InstaQuote stickers, 8 4x6 sheets, 96 stickers. They're super cute. I'm going to be using in my planner. So the books, 1 hour content plan, your first 100, influencer, building your personal brand in the age of social media, and super fans. They have a lot of books on there, but these are the ones I chose for now. So yeah, that is the August Sparkle Hustle Grow box. If you are interested in getting a box for yourself, I will have my referral link down below for you. You get $5 off, I believe, and I also get credit toward my next box. I would appreciate it. And then I wanted to mention, in the same realm of entrepreneurship, tomorrow, Monday, August 24th, starts the flash sale of the Ultimate Productivity Bundle. It contains 68 products worth over $2,000 for just $47. And the sale is only going on for Monday and Tuesday. So I'll put my affiliate link down below if you want to check that out and get it for yourself. As an information junkie, I've already gotten it for myself and am loving what I've seen so far. But there's so much, 68 products. There's a lot. I will put my links down below if you're interested. But yeah, that's it for this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, don't forget to smile. Bye.